Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel Panache. Today we are back again with a new video. Today's video is highly requested. I got a lot of comments on my Insta page asking us to make a video for Valentine's Day. So we are here today back again with another video, and today's video is going to be a super fun Valentine's Day special video. We're going to be playing a couples game. So if you are new to my channel, this is my husband Eugene, and this is my channel. Everyone. And this is my channel Panache, and I make a lot of videos here on beauty, lifestyle and fashion, and a lot of fun content with my family too. So if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing to my channel, and if you're already a subscriber, then welcome to my channel. And if also, please do not forget to follow me on my Insta page. It's called panache.makeupartist. Follow me there. I post a lot of stuff over there too. Now without any further ado, let's begin with this video. Today's video is going to be a super game. It's going to be a fun game with my husband. It's a couples game. This is an app that we downloaded from the Play Store. It's a random game. It's supposed to be a fun game for couples. So we thought that's best to do for Valentine's Day. So here we are with this game. And you want to say something?
Well, I honestly don't know what questions are going to be asked. So
yeah, we're just going to just pick up the questions randomly and just go ahead with this game. So have some fun with us and let's begin.
Shall we?
Yes.
Okay, here we go. Start the game. What does it say over here? You just play, right?
Play.
Okay, so we play. Agree. And next. So the first question.
I'll put up the questions that are coming up on the screen over here, on the screen. I'll take a screenshot and I'll put it up so you know what the question is all about and what he has to be doing or what I have to be doing. So the first question says, so first it's an action this time. So it says, Eugene gently kisses Veena's belly. So are you ready to do that?
Yeah, I'm taking the screenshot first.
Okay, also one more thing. If he doesn't do it or if he's not able to do it, then he gets a kiss on his cheek, on his face. So in short, I'm going to be designing his face with my lipstick. So he has to be ready for that. And similarly with me, if I do not answer, I do not perform the action, then he has to kiss me. He has to wear the lipstick on his lips and kiss me on my face wherever he wants and design my face. So
that was not in the script.
So that's how it is.
Not there.
So let's begin. First question, Eugene gently kiss Veena's belly. Are you doing it or no?
Of course. I mean, this is.
So, okay.
Should I? Okay, here we go.
Oh, that's nice.
Well,
okay.
I've kissed that belly sometimes before because, I mean, my wife, we've had 2 kids. So, when they were in there, yeah, that's when I had the opportunity to do
and
that.
Now. So, okay. Next one.
Okay, here we go.
Veena, what do you think is Eugene's favorite thing about you? There are so many things good about me. I don't know what to pick.
And what do you think
is the favorite thing about me?
What is the favorite thing about you that I think is the favorite thing about you?
Yeah, so what is it?
You tell me. And I'll tell you whether it's right or wrong.
Maybe about me being very hardworking. Yes?
I'll have to give that to you. But yeah, I mean, there are other things that you are pretty good at. So
like? I would like to hear some good things.
No, you're very confident about yourself.
Thank you.
You would rather say like. You take charge of things, that way. Yeah, you'd like to do things and make sure it's done perfectly.
Thank you guys for making me do this video. I'm getting to hear so many good things about me. So thank you, husband. Okay, next question.
Next, here we go.
It says, Veena, what is something Eugene is really bad at?
Oh.
I know. He's really bad at remembering things. So this is one thing. He always gets picked up for this because he's very bad at remembering stuff. I have to keep reminding him. In fact, his mother has a better memory than him. So,
But
true.
I think that is a common trait in all us guys, right? Guys, come
No,
on,
no, no,
support
no, no,
me
no,
there.
no.
That's a common trait, right? We need
No,
to be
but
reminded
with
of
you-
stuff being done.
No, with you, each and everything has to be reminded of. So, that is one thing I would like to say.
Okay, I'll give that to you.
Next up, so nobody's getting any makeup on their face.
That's good for me at least. Okay. Next question that comes up is, what item of Veena's clothing? What item of clothing in Veena's wardrobe do you hate the most?
Okay, now I've got a lot of clothes.
Wait, that
Let's
is for
see what
me.
he says.
Hate the most. Hate the most. It could be accessories also, right?
Clothing.
Clothing. Oh, you know what? Actually,
I think we should have put a timer. It's taking too long.
her choice of clothes is actually good, so I'm trying to figure out which one I did not like.
Okay, get ready for some kiss. Your time's up.
Oh,
Come on, come on.
I mean, wait, give me some. There's
No, you
so
cannot
many
take
items.
so long.
Okay, forget it. I mean,
There.
oh no.
First mark
Here
on
we
his
go.
cheek. Okay,
It
my
should have
turn.
been accessories. I would have said the shoes. She's got some pair of shoes which I hate. You know, they are like platform.
Anyway, you've not
heels.
made it to this question. Next question, please.
That's why I asked if it was accessories. If it was
No,
accessories, I
it
would have
says
said.
clothing very specifically. I hope you're taking screenshots.
Oh yeah, I am actually. Okay. Oh my goodness. Read.
Perform your best impressions of each other. What does that mean?
I can do that. I can do that. And I'm gonna win this. I'm gonna win this. Okay, I'm gonna do it first. It's like, you know, when she's a little upset. Okay, that's the best time to see her because not only me, my daughter also has a super laugh. So she will be like, I told you to do this, right? Every time I have to come home and see to it that you do it. Why don't you take, initiative? Get things done. Leave clothes lying around the house.
Actually,
Leave
I'm
things
supposed
lying
to be
around the
answering
house.
this question and you answered.
No, I wanted to answer this. Leave things lying around the house. It's all the time that I have to come home and get things done. Come on, I'm not here only for this.
Next question, please. Okay. Veena, what is the last thing you argued about? I can't remember. We argue so much. We are not a happy couple, my friends. All the time. We do fight, but I don't remember what we fought about last.
What is it?
I don't know what we fought about last. It's good that we don't remember actually. We are supposed to forget our fights, right? So I'm happy I don't remember.
Yeah, I actually can't remember when was the last time we actually had a quarrel.
Okay, now since I didn't answer this, I have to give you a kiss or what is it?
I have to do it. Excuse
Okay,
me.
you wear the
No,
lipstick, I don't
I'm
mind
not
it.
wearing the lipstick though, but I will paint your face.
Okay, go ahead.
I want to.
Make me look good, please.
No, excuse me.
What is this supposed to be? That's it.
There.
Oh my god. Okay.
I'm going to paint your face also. I also have to have
Next
your
up.
Next question, quickly. Okay, next. What is Veena's best physical feature?
Oh, I want to hear this. I don't know. I don't know what he thinks yet. After being married for 20 years.
Physical feature, I would say, I think she's got some super sexy legs.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, he said that. He told me that earlier.
Yes, that's what I think about.
Thank you.
Okay,
Okay.
next.
Veena, what celebrity does Eugene remind you of?
Oh no.
Eugene reminds me of. Yes, I know. Devanand.
Oh no, I knew that was coming. Okay.
There's a story behind this, my friends. When Eugene was younger, That is about 20 years back. He used to have a hairstyle just like Devanand, and everybody, not only me, many of us, many of his friends and everybody would call him Devanand. So, Devanand it is.
Okay, you got me there. Oh, hey, I didn't take this screenshot.
Okay, next up.
Okay, next. Eugene, what is the last book that Veena read?
I have not been reading of late.
Yeah, you've not been reading, but the last book you read was probably a year back, and I think it was a Sydney Sheldon.
No.
No?
No, I have not read from quite some time off. Now I only have been working, and that's it. I don't have time.
No, what is the last
So
book you
I don't
bought?
remember what I read last.
Okay, so you don't remember, I don't remember, so it's a draw. So you can no, that doesn't go. That doesn't go.
Okay,
Sorry.
next
sorry.
up.
Okay. Then take a screenshot of this.
Okay. Next.
Okay.
Veena, let Eugene give you a new hairstyle.
Oh.
You have to give me a new hairstyle.
Oh no. Okay.
Oh no. Please, yeah. I hate anybody touching my hair.
Okay.
I have a rubber band here.
Okay. Quickly.
Please. Oh no.
Oh no.
Wait.
Yeah, wait.
I think I need to put this. One eternity later.
Ah.
Goodness gracious me. My hair.
One eternity later.
It is not fair. It is not fair. Okay, like this.
It's not going to stay like this throughout the video. I'm supposed to look at the video.
Oh no.
What are you doing? You just changed my partner. That's it.
It is not happening on your hair. Not
Okay,
changing.
fine, done.
Okay, but I did change the
Okay.
hairstyle.
Changed.
Okay, I did change the hairstyle.
Okay. Not
Okay.
bad.
Next one. Have a completion to see who can make the other one laugh first. Completion. It's supposed to be competition.
Competition.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. There, see?
You also laughed.
No, you laugh
You
first.
take care
She
of me.
laugh. I'm supposed to make you laugh. That's it.
Okay, fine.
So I win.
Okay.
Oh yeah. Sorry, I forgot about that. Quickly.
Okay, come on, fast. Okay. Nose contouring done with the lipstick.
Guys, by the way, I'm winning this game.
Oh no. Eugene, take a selfie with Veena like this.
Right.
Okay, we'll
It's
take a
gonna
selfie and we'll put it up for you.
Okay, it's gonna be
Next up. We'll take 2 more questions and end this video, okay?
Okay, wait, I'll take.
We'll take it later and we'll put it.
Okay. And now these ads keep coming in the way. Okay, Veena, come on.
Dare Eugene to do something of your choice.
Oh damn. Like what?
Whatever I tell you to do, you'll do. Okay, take off your t-shirt in front of the camera.
No. No.
No? Okay.
Yeah, but I want to show you. See, my tea. See. Right? If you guys can read this, read, please. Please do not disturb me. I'm married and already disturbed. So you know what I'm going
Okay.
to do? 20 years.
Anyways, he's not doing the day I told him, so he gets lipstick on his face. Okay?
Alright,
We have to be
fine.
matching. So I'm going to give you a kiss on your lips. There, do it all. Okay, that's the last question or one more?
One more.
Okay,
I've
one
got to
last
win.
question.
I have to win, that's right.
One last question.
Oh, this is simple
Very
one.
simple.
What is Veena's favorite alcoholic drink? I do not know for whatever reason. I feel it's one of the worst ever. But she loves her gin and tonic.
Yeah, I love that. That's the only alcoholic drink that I have or have been having of late, and I love it. So that's it for this video, guys. Let's end this video now. It's been quite a long video, and I'm sure you're going to get bored if it goes even longer. If
It
you
can
want,
go on and on.
if you
guys
want
can-
us to make another video, then give it a thumbs up, and or comment in the comment section below, and let us know if you want to make another video. We will always do that for you, no issues. We're always listening, hearting, and definitely we will make another video for you if required. So that's it. Let's end this video now.
all the couples out there, no, I think you should try this
Yeah,
app.
download this app. It's a
Download
nice
the
app. It's a fun
try
app.
It, try it for 14th of February. I
Yes.
think you're gonna have, a good laugh
Yes.
actually with each other, at each other, whatever, but it's gonna be good.
Yes.
So try it.
So I hope you have a great Valentine's Day. Wishing you all a happy Valentine's Day, whether you're single or if you're married, if you have a boyfriend, with your kids, with your family, whatever. Spread the love and have fun. Love each other, love yourself, and that's it for this video. And like I always say, stay safe, stay strong, and stay
Happy.
happy. See you all very soon in my next video. Bye bye.
Thanks guys. Bye. See ya. Take care.